So today we are gonna be We are gonna be spying, and we have to be quiet.
What's up, guys?
We're spying.
It's me.
It's both of us. We're both recording. So we're gonna be like this. Gonna find. Let's go to our base. The lights work really good in here. The best light in the house.
Alright, so guys,
we don't want anyone to hear us.
Yeah, it's raining.
What is that noise?
It's raining. It's just raining.
But today, I went to the pool, but not when it was raining. When it was like all bright, I did some front flips into the pool. Like,
guys, subscribe to Hunter's channel.
Yeah.
He needs it.
Yeah, but we need tarantulas. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show you a bigger one. It's in the bathroom. I don't know if we can.
Oh, what?
I don't know why, but there's people watching Preston. Knox, let's split up. Go, 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 go. Guys, the rain is so loud right now. If you can hear it, subscribe. It's literally raining. So, there's literally thundering outside, like very badly. The power might go out here. Guys, sorry. So, we are just gonna So guys, that is my PC. It's really OP, dude. I don't know why, but my dad's playing on my own PC. Maybe we should get in the closet. Hopefully the lights won't flicker in here because it makes it really creepy. Go, 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 go. Get under the bed. That dog. Oh my gosh.
Wait, can I hold the camera?
We can't right now. Yeah. So guys,
Can I hold the camera?
yeah, just 1 sec. Please subscribe. This is the last of our lives.